It's just a rug, buddy. You got it. Why? Come on. Okay, never mind. And the cat, fearless as always. Good girl, Willow.
Come on, it's just a rug. Oh my gosh. Look at her. She doesn't care at all.
Okay, buddy, it's just a rug. Come here. I got you. I got you. See? Nothing to be scared of. You're all right.
Come on, don't be scared. It's just a rug, not a hole.